Otherwise, she would be also reject you, pick up with her. Because this guy is not good. Unable to police the children.
Yes, yes.
Eh? This is the Sabina. Eh? But Parakitto, they don't want things. And they never also these types of things in them. Eh? Eh? Their love is their prominent. Love is prominent. Eh? So Gopi, they never ask Krishna anything. Eh? This is the thing. Because this Parakitto, this is Sabina. So if Krishna has any fault, then they are Bhammotaka.
Contrary mood.
This guy. And there one thing is this Parakitto only one, what is called? What is called? Premos, what is called? They only one point the Krishna. What is called?
Vijay.
Huh?
Vijay.
Using this word. Yeah. Only Krishna is their Nayak. Eko Nayakatva.
Yes.
Eko Nayak. Only one
Hero.
hero. Understand? This is the thing. They are only, there is no another male person. Eh? Because they only one point the Krishna. Nayaka Ekatta Nayakatva. Yeah. Gopi is not to attach with another gop or another person. Only one Eko Nayaka, Krishna. This is that. This is also we find it. But Krishna is releasing this prem बहु नहीं का
Many.
बहु कांता बिना नहीं रसिर उल्लास Krishna is one Nayak, one hero, but he releasing this prem Parakita Bhav, meeting with the many Naika. Naika means heroine. For this regard, Krishna's Bhammatta Bhav means
Contrary.
contrary mood, very rare, not Shastra, not Samaya to explain, very rare.
Cannot.
Eh?
He cannot do. Because so many.
So many, you come, you don't come, another I can go, another. He's Satantra Secham.
Yes. Completely
Understand?
independent desire.
There. And Krishna is Dhir Lalita Nayakatva there. Dhir Lalita Nayakatva means the four qualifications and he is unique between Navajauvanancha. He is always ever fresh, youthful form, Navajauvanancha. Everybody also attracted with Krishna's beauty. All gopis, not only Srimati Radhika. Kastrangati Kalapadam with the Venu, Go Drija Duma Hirana Pulakana Vitramam. Shuddhi Goswami Path. Everybody intoxicated with Krishna. So for this regard, Krishna's, this is the opportunity. So Krishna will be happy to meet with many consort. So saying this, Bahu Kanta Vina Nahi Rasira Ullas. Rasmadhurja will be stimulated and also more
Relishable. Relishable.
relishable when Krishna he meets with many consort. Bahu Kanta. Ras Leela means is what? To meeting with, at the time Krishna, he meets with many consort. This is that. Ras Leela is Krishna. Krishna, right? Krishna's topmost is Ras Leela. This is the main thing. And in this way, but Srimati Radhika's man is coming. Actually, Srimati Radhika's man coming for Krishna's pleasure. Because Krishna, he knows, Srimati Radhika, he knows, only I can give the pleasure to Krishna. No one can give. Because Parakyata's, there is no sex life, there is nothing. Actually, this is not true. Their sex life. Their life is only how to releasing the love, prem. This is the thing. Or marriage life prominent is your sex life. This is the main thing is there. And they want these types also. Wife, he wants from the children. First he is thinking. Second, also how to get more wealth, money, how to develop, or many kinds of what is called enjoying sense gratification, nice house, nice car, nice bank balance, and everything is what needful. Understand? Wife always is what is called Fustiya.
Sucking.
Sucking the blood of the husband. Give more. She will not happy. If you give everything, she will not happy. Give everything. She wants more. This is the nature. And Krishna doing this Leela in there also. How many children Krishna? 11 children. 10 sons and 1 daughter. This thing. And nice house, nice thing. Everything is also. Look this. Because Krishna doing this Leela, Sakyata Leela in Dwarikapuri, and showing as a human being. This is true. Experience. Because Krishna performed this Leela. If you will more Dwaraka Leela listen, then you will so more attractive. Because Gopi's prem, that is that prem is hidden. No one can understand their prem. But generally people, they want to show the external. How Krishna, he gives and everything to his wives. But this is possible for Krishna because he is Bhagavan. He controls. Very difficult to control co-wives. If you have 1 or 2 wives, it is impossible. Understand? Not so easy. Even though no love, if she looks, or maybe you are talking to other ladies, some, but maybe office girl or something this, then she cannot tolerate. She may think maybe he loves her. Make disturbance, too much disturbance. In the same way, Krishna in Dwaraka, Rukmini, Satyabhama, they are also very angry to each other. Externally showing, okay. But Krishna is Bhagavan. For this regard, Krishna, he controls. Or Braj, that the prem is hidden prem. This prem. Just there, Srimati Radhika, she is gazing. So Krishna, today he did not come, my Kunja. Maybe Krishna, she went in where? In the Kunja of Chandravali. Then Srimati Radhika's many also what is called? Chet understand? Messengers. Manjari, they are searching where is Krishna is going. Manjari, Roti Manjari, they are good. This is that CID officer. They are as like Krishna, Srimati Radhika's and spy. Understand? Then they also inform to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she become angry. This is the thing. And Krishna, so Parakyata is the first weapon that is called Vammata. Then Prachanna Kamkata, they are lust not openly. Their lust is what? Hidden. They are not showing their lust in the public place. Huh? Here public place people, boyfriend, girlfriend, every 5 seconds embracing and kissing. Actually, this is called the not perfect the love. Huh? Love should be hidden. And otherwise, love not manifest. Give an example as a camphor. Love is as like camphor. Camphor. Camphor you put in the open place, then camphor will be what? Eh?
Going.
Going, nothing. In the same way, love should be open.
Hidden.
You know, love should be hidden. Love should not showing this. Eh? In this material world, we are saying, oh, he loves. Actually, they are not love. There is a lust. Love is always hidden. And these are things. And so they are prachanda because prachanda kam kota. They are love, that lust, because they are transcendental love, that is called perfect lust. Premaiva goparamanang kamaiva mittavedhyate. Gopi's lust, that is called perfect love, or Gopi's love, that is called perfect love. But that is not open. That is very secret. And if Krishna is coming, and if any Gopi asks, do you know this person? Hey, I never said. Who is he? Eh? They not open way say, I love to Krishna. Eh? That is what it is. Eh? Or the Mahaprabhu recited this verse. The one married lady, she very secret way to love her beloved, but she did not open her heart. But she is working everything in her house very nicely. But this look,
I don't know.
sing this look,
Yeah.
Mahaprabhu saying this verse. Okay. No? Sometimes I'm also reciting
Yeah, I
this
know,
verse.
but
Eh? This is the verse. Listen, please. So, this is so second, the weapons of Prakita Bhav, that is called Prachanna Kamuka. Prachanna is hidden. They are last of frame hidden, not showing to another. And then third,
The love is hidden to protect the love.
means love is only hidden.
Kamakta.
Love is not showing to.
This is the
They never say
characteristic.
I love to Krishna. They never do. Because love is as like
Okay.
camphor.
Okay.
So love should never open. Understand? The love always hidden. So that's why their love or lust is same because perfect, true. So they are not showing these things. So prachanna kamagata and nivaranata. Nivaranata means their superior sometimes also stop to them. You where are you going? This is night time, you should not go out. So when they stop to them, gopis, when their mother-in-law, father-in-law or in the superiors stop to them to meet with Krishna, and that time there's so much eagerness coming to meet with Krishna. Because they are spontaneous love to Krishna. As like the water of the Ganges, Gangajal, coming from where? Gangotri, in the top of the mountain of the Himalaya, and coming down. The water of the Ganges is coming very pure water coming down. But some also obstacles, many stones, many also are there.
dams.
Then, but the water is by force. In the same way, love of the gopis towards Krishna, as like the very strong speed of the
Current.
current going this way. So when they stop, their prem is more increased, and they are within. And that time also their mind will disturbed. At that time. They are not showing the disturbance mind. but they are meant day and night are thinking what Jogmaya, she also arranged this. Maybe Krishna told to the gopis, today I meet with Bhandirwat. But Krishna, he went to Harinda another forest. So gopis cannot meet with Krishna. Yeah? Either. Durlabh, not so easy to meet. So Parakyatta, this is also Durlabhata. A Sakyatta meeting is what? Easy. So this is the difference. So in this way, Gopis and Krishna, they are Parakyatta Bhav, Rasmadurja, more realistic. Which thing is very, very rare, that an eagerness coming in your heart. So how to get this thing? And if anything is very available, easy, that time so much desire not come.
Not putting so much value.
Well, that time they not think they cannot understand what is the value of this. Which thing is very, very rare. And that time they very eagerness. So, Ratha Yatra, this is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinks, I am Radha. Now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. After a long separation. Separation also 4 types. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas and Prema, Vaichitta. And in the same way, meeting also 4 types. What is that? Sankirna, Sankhipta, or Samriddhaman, or another? Samriddhaman meeting, that means after a long separation, when Radha Krishna meeting together, that is very realistic. This is the because Samriddhaman, after a long separation, when meeting to each others. Chandidas in that song explains, after a long separation, when Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna. Then Lalita Devi, she asked Srimati Radhika, how you are feeling to meet with your Krishna, beloved? Then Srimati Radhika, she told, Achara bhariya jodi manika pai, tobu ham piyare dura desha na patai. Generally people, they want what things from his lover or beloved or wife and husband? Money. Why you are going to England?
Money.
How to get more money? Why? How to give the pleasure of your family, your children, your husband, your mother, father, if anybody, you give more money. If you stay here, maybe you get less money. Or if you go far country, then you get more money. This is the nature. People going to service to one country to another country, this is the reason. So Srimati Radhika, she gave this example. If someone say to me, Achara bhariya jadi manika de, tobu ham pyare de sarjan par. If somebody tell, okay, I am giving a lot of money, surface, or jewels, what is called, manik, pearls, lot of jewelry. Just you send your beloved to me. Srimati Radhika said, no. Achara bhariya jadi manik, tobu ham pyare dura desha na pata. I don't want to send my beloved Krishna too far from me. My beloved Krishna always stay with me. Well, how? Sitara orine piya girisher ba. In the winter season, what do you prefer? Blanket. Or this type of coat. And also tied your body. If the especially England. eh? When then December, January, or February, very windy, snow, and windy, and that time your blanket is what?
Wrapping around.
Wrap it into and very tightly. And in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she says this way. Her example this. She is giving this example. Sitera orani piya giri serva. In the winter season, there as like I wrapped my blanket with my body. In the same way, my pran priyatam Krishna always with me. Don't want to separate it. This type of. Or giri serva. Giri means summertime. Summertime, what do you prefer? Very nice, beautiful, cooling air. Sitala Judai, pran. Then your heart will be very, oh my God. If it is very hot, then you want it what? Cool and air. In the same way, our beloved Krishna meet us together in a cooling way. This type of. And so one by one, she gave example this way. Maj Dariyar Na. In the middle of the ocean, what do you want? Prepare.
Lifeboat.
Lifeboat. One lifeboat is there. And many people also are floating in the water. One person can sit only one lifeboat. If you sit that lifeboat, I will tell you, give me. Will how possible give you? First, I save my life. In the same way, Srimati Radhika is even Maj Dariyana. And yes, Barisha Archa. Barisha means when heavy rain, you like what thing? Umbrella. In the same way, my Govinda Krishna is like this. That means after long separation, Sudirgha Viraha, then lover and beloved, how they are meeting to each other. That is the example of Sambriddhaman Milan. Meeting is Sambriddha. But Yogamaya again arrange how they separate. Because separation, nourishment, the meeting. Nobina Vipadambe Sambhuga Pushti Masunati. Love is this thing. Love always creating this thing. Meeting, separation, meeting. We are chanting Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
They are singing. Hare Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe. That means is also separation, meeting and separation. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Actually, those are high class Uttam Bhagavata. When they chant this holy name, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in Bhajan Rasala. They are feeling this feeling. How Radha Krishna meeting together and also how separate. And again meeting and again separate. Because without separation, meeting Ras Madhurya will be not realized. So for this Yogamaya, she arranged. Otherwise, always is meeting that the Sakyatva Bhav will come. Understand? Sakyatva Bhav. So for this regard, Yogamaya she arranged. How to separate. This first is that is called Kunja Bhangalila. Understand? First jumps sadhan, that is called
Nishantabad.
Nishanta. Radha Krishna, they are meeting together. But Vrinda Devi, she is arranging how they split together. This is the thing. So saying Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Dekhiya Arunodaya, Vrinda Devi Vyasta hoy, Kunjanana Raba Uthai lo, Sukhasari Paddasani, Paddasuni, Uthe Radha Nilmani. In the Brahma Murta, Radha Krishna, they are taking rest. Very nice, beautiful Kunja. Eh? Sleep coming what time? Brahma Murta. Eh? Understand? Eh? Midnight sleep not coming. Sleep coming actual what time? Brahma Murta. Very difficult to wake up. Eh? You think no more sleep. Eh? Eh? This. That means in the same way, Lokavattu Lila Korean Radha and Krishna, they are sleeping together. They want to sleep more. Eh? But her son about rises that get done. Eh? But Jogmaya, Vrindadevi sees, they have to split. Because when sun rises, then people come out from their house and looking here, how Radha Krishna are meeting together. Then big problem. Eh? Then Braj will be completely what? Disturbed. What this Lila, Vrindadevi, she is trying to split together. How Srimati Radhika returned back, Javat and Krishna returned back to Nandaka. So saying this. Dekhiya Urunodoy, Vrindadevi Dastoy, Kunja Nana Rabakara Ilo. Then Vrindadevi, she gives the hints. And first she gives hints to rooster. Rooster understand? That is called Murga. Murga understand? Hen. Eh?
Yeah.
3:30 they will start to. Brahma Murta, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. They automatically will start to come.
Galo.
Gallion.
Galo. Galinha.
This is the nature. Then once Srimati Radhika, she become very angry. Hey, Murga. Why you are making disturbance to sleepiness of my beloved Divine Radha and Krishna? They are taking rest. They have to. If you again to make sound, then I will give curse to you. Go to
Hell.
hell. This thing. This thing. Then the hen stop. But then Vrindadevi, she gives hints to the birds. Birds are chirping, chick, 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 and making sound with their wings. But still Radha Krishna and then sleeping. And completely deep sleep. And then Srimati, then also one, what is called, old monkey, Kokati. Okay. She also make disturbance. That one is okay. Hey, Raman, this is your duty. You go. Chastise the cockatoo, old monkey. Then she stop. Still Radha Krishna. Then finally Vrindadevi, she gives order to, what is it called? Suk and Sari. Papagai. Then they also sing very nice, sweet poetry with a lyrical way, tune this way. As the sun rises, about sun rises, the rays of sun is coming. Sanskrit word that is called Jatili. First rays of the sun, Sanskrit word that is called Jatili. But when Suksari is singing this lyrical, poetical way, and sun rays is coming, but Radha and Krishna, they are thinking Jotila is coming. There is Jotil to Jatila. Then Radha Krishna, very Srimati Radhika, see afraid. Oh, Jotila is coming. Big problem. Then Srimati Radhika, see wait. Then Krishna again. Then Manjari first entered and cleaning that the place. Then Prana Prasthha Siki Lalita Visakha, they are coming, and they also doing very nice decoration of Radha and Krishna Arati, that is called Mangala Arati. These things. Krishna, what is it called? Govinda Lilamrit, Sri Krishna Bhavnamrit. This mood is there. Then Srimati Radhika, she is going to Javat. And Krishna is going to Nandagam. But Srimati Radhika still, she is also laziness, sleepiness coming. Okay. And her bell, also at on the ground, floor. And in Braj there's some what is the thrones, some stuck. Then Srimati Radhika, she is thinking maybe Krishna pulling with that. Then Balu Opi. Krishna Balu Opi, hey Krishna, you are completely innocent. Balmini innocent, baby. Then you have no knowledge. Then why you are pulling my sorry. Look. Then Brijavasi they are coming. If you should, then Brijavasi will say, see to me. What? Then Sakhi Srimati Radhika, Manjari told, no, Sakhi, here is no Krishna. Here this is stuck. Your sari is stuck with the
Thorn.
then Srimati Radhika she said, these types of realization. Then Srimati Radhika she came in Javat and lay down on her bed. But when she quickly came out from the Kunja, that time there was a Chundri. Chundri means
Upper cloth.
our cloth, the dupatta.
Sundari.
That is his word. Change. Srimati Radhika she took the Chundri of Krishna, or Krishna took Chundri of Srimati Radhika. Understand? Krishna. And Krishna's Chundri, that is called,
Yeah.
what is that?
Yeah, pitambara.
That is called golden complexion. Or Srimati Radhika's, that is called blue complexion. Now he is going to Krishna. And now he coming. Then they are sleeping. Then in the meantime, Jyotila Devi, she enter in the room and see the Krishna's clothes and on the over the body of Srimati Radhika. Then she become very angry. She called the old lady in Purnama, there you are saying, don't believe Srimati Radhika, she will look Krishna's cloth. Then you don't know, this is the, then Gopis that, what is called, Manjari, they are very clever. They also hide that the cloth under the bed of Srimati. And you don't know. This is not, this is not Krishna, this is Srimati Radhika. So this realization.
Sun reflection.
Sound very good, Premanande. Also meeting, separation meeting. Radha Krishna, this is good, Premanande.
What are you gonna do?
Your birthday, ginger. Now, what is the time now?
It's early.
9:45.
Huh.
How many 8:45?
Lila.
There's some different Lila coming, something late.
Late, Lila.